Kellen Thokchom, special correspondent of the Telegraph, no more. People from all walks of life, including the Chief Minister, condole the untimely demise of the journalist. Governor Najma Heptullah stresses the need for a joint effort to enhance the economy of women vendors. People allege the government of partiality in cleaning work of riverbanks in areas of Kurai and Wangkai constituencies. And Central Industrial Security Force Imphal Airport nabbed a person smuggling gold in shirt and trouser buttons at Imphal International Airport. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Kellen Thokchom, special correspondent of the Telegraph, a renowned journalist of the state, expired from a cardiac arrest at the wee hours this morning. He was 58 years old. After returning home at his Thagolban Tongbram Laikai residence last night, Kellen complained of chest pain and was rushed to RIMS, where he breathed his last. Journalists, family members, friends and well-wishers paid floral tribute to the senior journalist at Manipur Press Club. A 2-minute silence was also observed in honor of the departed soul. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren, who was also a journalist, was among those present at the last rite of the journalist. The deceased is survived by his wife, a daughter and a son. His immense contribution in journalism has been an epitome of inspiration for many. He was a regular panelist of Impact News Manung Hutna program, where he shared many eye-opening opinions for the welfare of the society.
It is very unfortunate. I'm really shocked because yesterday itself, after a long gap, I invited him in my office and we discussed about the family matters and long time friendship we got, because I am also started my career as a journalist. Actually, we have lost a good journalists and the good human beings. I deeply express my deepest condolence, and I sharing the sorrow of their families. May his soul rest in peace.
Impact TV also condoled the demise of the renowned journalist Kelen Thokchom and shared the grief of the bereaved family. Manipur Hill Journalist Union, the Churachandpur branch of the Union, United People's Front, UPF Manipur and Socialist Students Union of Manipur, SSUM, All Manipur Working Journalist Union, AMJU, in a separate press releases have condoled the untimely demise of renowned journalist Kelen Thokchom. They also stated that his phenomenal contribution in the field of journalism will always be revered. Governor Najma Heptullah has launched an awareness campaign on financial services for women vendors at Ima Kaithel today. Speaking on the occasion, the governor stated that it is a responsibility of all the citizens in enhancing the economy of the women vendors by abiding the inherent age-old customs and traditions. She acknowledged the plights of the women vendors and pointed out the disadvantages brought about by the influx of low-quality products in the market, where 4,000 women from both the hills and the valley earned their livelihood. The governor also highlighted the plight of the vendors and their inability to save their income due to repayment of loans and interest to the moneylenders. She further urged the women vendors of the market to avail the benefits of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Loan Yojana and other schemes initiated by the Prime Minister easily by utilizing banking services. Taking part in the event, Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar stated that banks in other states easily provide loans to its customers. However, it is not the case in Manipur. He maintained that the banks in the state will also provide all the necessary loans if the women vendors repay the loans in time. Representatives of various banks raised awareness on schemes among women vendors on the occasion. Many women vendors of Ima Kaithel participated at the awareness campaign.
This is not a one-time affair. Their people will be coming to you whenever you need, and they will empower and capacity build the women which are working among you, so that we can have this program to cover every family of those women who are working in the Ima market.
Being the Nasi Lupak Karuni, sing Masabada, which I'm not about being acceptable. Being was about to Yati, Maduki discipline no never could. My arm to Panam Adu, according to Nasi Lupamas Habaka, Pisama di Yate. I not being the Lupasama sing the Pisatara, the Simbayade, being accepted Simbaga instrumental. Other disciplines like the being a city when a worry. Seeking disciplines and quite like Minazi.
Apan Bachaukat Khongthang Lop Khurai has asserted that issue of the documents of land at the riverbanks in Imphal by the government has led to difficulties in the cleaning work of the riverbanks. On the other hand, people of Khurai and Wangkai constituencies stays sitting against the partiality of the government in the ongoing cleaning program of the riverbanks in different areas. Apun Bachaukat Khongthang Lop also stays sitting at Eastern Educational Club in Khurai Ahongai Thangjam Laikai, demanding to punish the officers responsible for issuing the land documents. Speaking to media person, General Secretary of the organization, Sana Tampa Rajkumari, appreciated government's initiative of cleaning the riverbanks before the onset of monsoon. However, maintained that the issuance of land documents to structures and houses by the riverbanks have made the cleaning work futile. She urged the authority concerned to clarify as to when the land documents were issued, or to evict the illegal settlers by the riverbanks and to relocate public construction by the riverbanks at suitable locations. Sana also appealed to the state government to complete the cleaning before the monsoon season. She asserted that there are more than 200 illegal construction by the riverbank.
Chahi Kudingi, Nong Hektabaga, Ising Tungalactuna, Torban Kairakani Haibagi Mipaiba, Amadi, Mipaiba Natana, Longnambal Kairatuna, Mishimina Kaya Tokliba, Lantum Kaya Mangtakliba Asi, Aikoina, eviction system Asida Isida, Taudang Laho the Bataraga di public Nasu, Gormena Mai Pakidana Pagi Taraga Tokini, Karamna, Marila Nabo Authority, Officer Singna, Pata Pirambano, Sarkana, Atuwa Matamda, Miam Kangna, Lampata, Piribasing, Amadi, Piram Liba, Officer Sing, allotment year Galoina na, Lautopiu, March 3 Power the Sarkana, Loishangani, Aduga, Ebictionji, Loikini and the Kanjarubadu, Ebictionji, Mamisi, Karakak, Nasikung, Tainaramaga, Maru Obasing the Adum Puktana Laiba, Asi Nungaizade, Ain Kai, Hai Kangna Kangna, public property mayam Amas Hazalami Basisu, Gormena, Mapam Zabada, Tangdopiu.
Central Industrial Security Force Imphal Airport indigenously apprehended 180 grams of gold estimated to be worth 5 lakh rupees at the market smuggled in shirts and trousers buttons today. The passenger of Indigo flight number 6E875 flying from Imphal to Kolkata was suspended at the X-ray counter due to some suspicious circumstances. Later, an official team led by Deputy Commandant of CISF Imphal Airport, KK Wangkem, apprehended the miscreant carrying the gold underneath the false buttons. The individual is identified as Pradeep Kumar, age 45 years, son of Ramakant Maurya from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Pradeep Kumar carried a total of 120 gold buttons in his body. The arrested individual along with the seized gold has been handed over to the Customs Department for further interrogation.
Poche conceal mana button da koigi khangau button da conceal toraga manung da roll toraga hapam bani poche screener na chidei X-ray screening to kan adu kan zero in torak pane doubtful oi and haraga adida koina by hand physically search torakan koina si apprehend tawung bane ada si concealment ji matang in adi yam tina level intensive ni khangdaba screener ama oi tardi adum bypass toraga dum chakki yam line CISF ke screener na point out toraga zero in toraga Lokto Horaga Mazi concealed with the Pabaze, Sini Amti commendable oi. Kaigino have the Sigi modus operandi Matung in the Pabaze Yam no Waga of Tokni, Yam labor intensive Oigre. CISF na Quina walk out to Raga, she Oquina Sigi, Operation High Tare, Sigi concealment of the Quina apprehend of Wungam.
Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh M. Ashni Kumar in a press release has alleged that the former Congress government for the missing case of 56 9mm pistol along with 58 magazine from the armed codes of 2nd Manipur Rifles during the year 2014 to 2016 of previous government regime. He stated that the incident is rather joke to democracy of the land and one of the highest threats to the state and national security. M. Ashni Kumar maintained that the stolen weapons found in the custody of ethnic armed group is yet another pointer if the former government was promoting terrorism in the state, and that there is also a larger question whether the stolen pistols were used in killing innocent lives in the state. He maintained every single culprit involved, no matter their status or position, should be booked and kept them behind bars. High Court of Manipur organized a one-day workshop on legal reporting and contempt of court at its judge lounge today. President in charge of All Manipur Working Journalist Union, K. Saroj Kumar, spoke extensively on legal reporting trend in Manipur. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Yumnam Rupachandra, spoke on challenges before media. He stated that media has become a huge player in the information world as they can create or divert an issue and can also demonize people. He urged media persons to be aware of their roles and the journalism ethics. Rupachandra also spoke at length about the factors which deter the media from being an independent entity. He asserted that if freedoms of press is being suppressed by those in power, the society will perish. Legal editor, The Tribune, Saitya Prakash, spoke on the mistakes the reporters and what to avoid during legal reporting. He asserted that due to poor understanding of judiciary system, the reporters tend to commit mistakes. Several media persons, mass communication and journalism students and law fraternity attended the workshop.
The Constitution, while recognizing these fundamental rights, it has restricted these rights. Even right to life is not absolute. The state can take it again. It can actually extinguish somebody's life, and that is death penalty in extreme cases. But it can actually put somebody in jail for violation of law. So restricting even the most basic fundamental right, Article 21, it is done under the Constitution. So Constitution is not giving us fundamental rights, it is recognizing these fundamental rights, but at the same time, in the process of recognizing these fundamental rights, it has restricted it, giving the state certain powers to the state.
Students of National Sports Academy took out a protest rally against the CBSE question leak case organized by Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad AVBP, Manipur State today. The rally started from National Sports Academy Hostel, Khuman Park Sports Complex and concluded at Chingmairong, Khongnang, Anikarak. The students also demanded resignation of the chairman of CBSE.
Ngasi ABP na chathaiba protest di handak pangthokiba 10 amasung 12 ki CBSE ne loba exam da question leak oibado adugi mayokta chatharakpa protest ni akoina thamjaningiba demand sing di akogi chairman CBSE chairman je lokthokpiba aduga maduda chenariba mioi gaido pharaga jail da thambiba aduga long term oiba akogi process ama question leak oiba mayam je matung da mon thoktana ba long term oiba process ama center government na sinbiba HRD minister sinbiba haiduna protest je chathajabani aduga ha leak oiba kaino je amuk hana pekha tharaga athuba matamda academy atmosphere kaida bida yam thuna haidokpiba pekha je subject mayam jiga punna.
Secretary of Law and Legislative Affairs Department Nungshi-Tombi Athokpam in a press release stated that the inauguration of the Special Court Manipur at Uripok Chairap Court Complex scheduled to be held on April 2nd, 2018 has been postponed to April 4th on account of 3-day state mourning observance in connection with the demise of former Chief Minister of Manipur Rajkumar Dorendra. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring reports on the concluding day of 2-day seminar on Anglo-Manipuri War 1891, battles and significance in the history of Manipur. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 2-day seminar on Anglo-Manipuri War 1891, battle and significance in the history of Manipur held at GM Hall concluded today. The seminar was organized by Justice Committee for Anglo-Manipuri War 1891, Martyrs and Victims of Kangleipak. Speaking on the occasion, convener of the committee, Kuraisam Athoba, said that the objective of the seminar was to endorse facts of the event that some writers have wrongly scripted, distorting the history of Manipur. He said that the present generation only know Bir Tikendrajit, Pauna Brajabasi and Thangal General as the freedom fighters. Athoba said that the committee, after minutely investigating the documents, was able to find the names of R.K. Nganba, R.K. Kala, Pukhrambam Kajau, Chongtha Mia, Jinglen Sana and Maibia Tamra, among others who sacrificed their lives for Manipur. He also stated that the committee has also identified a memorial site and will be conducting programs in their commemoration to impart the significance of their sacrifices to the younger generations of the society. He also called on cooperation from the family members of the war heroes in their venture of engraving the importance of their sacrifices in the history of Manipur.
ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯗ ꯌꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯊꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯄꯤꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯂꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯟꯖꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯊꯧꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯊꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨꯗ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯤꯂꯦꯕꯁꯇ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯊꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯒꯅꯤꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ.
BJP Wangoi Mandal organized a one-day booth level training program under Rashtriya Prashikshan Abhiyan at the residence of former MLA of Wangoi constituency Salam Joy in Samurao today. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary Admin BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat Kumar said that there has been emotional integration among the different communities in the state ever since BJP came to power in the state. He said the training program will strengthen the BJP workers in providing the benefits of the government schemes to the beneficiaries. President in charge of BJP Manipur Pradesh Salam Joy said that in Biren late BJP government of the state has been able to promote economic growth for the women's society. He said the Labour Department has opened 3 tailoring and cutting training centers at Iram Sifai, Wangoi and Samuro and have provided training to 250 women so far. Joy said that the women who have completed the training will also be distributed sewing machine to give them a means of livelihood.
भारत के प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पीरिबे स्कीम सिंह वांगोई केंद्र की प्रजा सिंह दा लोइनमक ममुताना युमदों खुदिमक खंगनबा अदुगुंबा पांदम अदुगी मनुंग दनी ngasi अखोई ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम पाइखलिबासी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर की नानुंगसिबिदना वांगोई केंद्र की अखोई एम्ब्रॉयडरी मशीन सु चनी यांखै पिरक्तना अखोई मफम अहुमदा आइगी युमदा मदि वांगोईदा इरम सिबाईदा मफम अहुमदा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम पी अखोई था मरी चथरकपनी मदुसु ngarang अखोई लोइसल्ले.
Maira Paibi organizations of the state have loaded the civic action programs taken up by various Assam Rifles posts under the 9th Sector Assam Rifles. The women felicitated Commander of 9th Sector Assam Rifles, Brigadier Amit Kabithial, Commandant of 6th Assam Rifles, Colonel Indrajit, and Post Commander of Singjamai Chingamathak 6th Assam Rifles, Major Tony, for their contribution towards the development of the society. The function was jointly organized by Singjamai Chingamathak Maira Paibi, Langthabal Mantri Khong Maira Paibi, Uripok NG College Maira Paibi and Nongmaibung Maira Paibi at the community hall of Yaipa Langjing Lup Pishumthong Ningom Leirak today. Speaking at the function, President of the Langthabal Mantri Khong Maira Paibi KH Akasani stated that within the past few years there has been a good relationship between the Assam Rifle and the people of the state. She also appealed to the Assam Rifle to work hand in hand with the people of the state to bring about a peaceful society. Brigadier Amit asserted that the conduct and the behavior of the Assam Rifle personnel will not terrify the public, especially the women of the society. On the other hand, he also assured that the 6th Assam Rifle will continue to organize a similar national integration tour program attended by 16 representatives from different Maira Paibi Lup who toured different places including the national capital, Delhi.
And I hope that in the future also this interaction and this cooperation amongst the Assam Rifles, amongst the Maira Paibi and the people of Manipur will continue. Hope to make good friends with the people of Manipur, because I am happy to note that all of you have really enjoyed the tour, and next year also we intend to have a similar kind of tour, maybe in the month of September, October, when the weather in Delhi and Mathura is good, and maybe we will take slightly more number of people from here so that more number of people can see all these places.
District Legal Services Authority Imphal East, in collaboration with Thongju Part 2 Legal Aid Clinic, conducted a one-day legal awareness program under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority at Divine Club of Thongju Namai Rakpam Laikai today. Legal experts including Advocate B. Supriya and K. Dhane spoke in length on crime against women, cybercrime, POCSO and National Food Security Act. Retired Senior Auditor Tensubam Santikumar was among those present on the occasion.
Physical abuse to biba and mental abuse to biba ani yengnarang taragadi haibidi ekona phugiba chaigiba do kok ama kaigiba nataga ai anaba isada chaina ama phaugiba dagi naba do phagrakana ai se phaieba ko aduga mental abuse to biba sidi khwadi hen sathiba wakhan si nungai taba ma phauri ne ba au bo ulakdagi imai palai re bagi ibung pa lai jeda bagi nungai taba mayam amga mari leina na ngangak pa mayam sing do ai se khangma ngamoi doine ba sigi matang se sida akoina imung digi mi sing je taw pasidi adugi mati wakhan si nungai tani nupi se saning aroi tumba yararoi ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ ꯆꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯊꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯇꯨꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯦꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯋꯥꯀꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ 3 ꯄꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯗꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯤꯌꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯃꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯀꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ.
The 3-day 64th Foundation Day celebration of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, one of the most oldest dance academy in the Northeast, began at JNMDA Open Air Theatre today. Speaking at the inaugural event, Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nachma Heptullah, reiterated that Manipur is known to the world for its vibrant art and culture. She expressed that it has been through this academy that the beautiful culture and the dance of Manipur are projected to the rest of the world. The governor said that the performers of JNMDA are more known and respected in the entire world. She lauded the academy aids and offers new courses every year. The governor also presented medals to 5 outstanding candidates who excelled in different fields of cultural dances provided in the JNMDA on the occasion. Later, the students who backed the medal performed Thagul Jagoi, Radha Nartan and Nata Sankirtan on the opening day of the celebration. Director of the JNMDA, Professor H. Tombi, staff and students of the academy attended the inaugural program. Different dance forms of the state will be showcased during the 3-day-long celebration.
I think people more know about Manipur through JNMDA performance all over. I feel as proud of India's cultural heritage, both performing, visual and written. And Manipur is rich in all the 3. And I hope that JNMDA will carry forward for the reasons it was established 64 years ago.
The one-month workshop cum production on Chungoi, an important component of the Manipuri martial arts organized by the Meitei Indigenous Thangta Cultural Institute, that is Mitachi, Kongba Khetri Laikai, under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture, concluded yesterday at Nongpok Ningthau Panthoibi Sanglen, Kongba. 3 gurus of Thangta conducted the workshop, participated by 50 martial artists, among mostly girls. The workshop cum production was conducted under the scheme of Functional Grants and Production Scheme of the Ministry of Culture. Members of the Eastern Journal Cultural Center, Kolkata, Buddha Chingtham and Dr. Yumnam Sadananda were among those present at the closing event, while President of Mitachi, K.H. Surchandra, presided over the function. Demonstration by martial artists marked the closing function. Zelengrong Student Union, in association with Zelengrong, Baudi, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland and Zelengrong Youth Front, observed the 84th Zelengrong Solidarity Day, Chingmairom, Kabui village today. The Solidarity Day was observed to commemorate the day when the communal riots prevalent among the Zelengrong communities back in the day was ended. President of Zelengrong, Baudi, Manipur and various leaders of the Zelengrong communities were among those present at the observance.
Zelengrong unity labor, Zelengrong integrity labor, Sisri, Asumana, Chatagani, Aduga, strong, Ibadugum tribe Moigani, Aduda in the public, Maru and Zelengrong people living in Assam, Manipur, and Nagaland, Sida Haining Madi, Kari Gumana Quaibu, Kari Force na, external Kana Gumana Quaibu Kalai, Karigi, Zelengrong Silams, Sawi, Misuyami, acquired mineral resources, resourceful natural resources, Yamli, Adugum Kaluraga, Mikana Gumana Quaibu Kalaktuna, Equagi, Zelengrong tribes to Tugainaba, Liangme, Tongan, Zeme, Tongan, Rome. Tongan mani have given kind of honey, Sisida, Yam unfortunate waveni, Yam Leva team, Madu, Moikana Honera Sungamoy, Adu Hosi within Zelang the Sukana Gumadi, Kang Nakanga Topsle, Mamagi, the Kari bested interest, Adu Madu Mayam Stobigunu.
Apunba Manipur Matam Ishai Kanglup, Amek in a press release condemned the frequent interference caused to singers of the state. The organization announced that AMIC will suspend music shows from tomorrow onwards and will also stage a sit-in at Hicham Path Yeshkul Janastan at 10 a.m. tomorrow. The 3-day seminar on Thangta Gi Fijek Leiteng, organized by Thangta Loisheng Sana Konung at Lamyanba Sanglen, concluded today. Speaking to Impact News, Vice President of Thangta Loisheng, Angom Ranbir, said that the gurus and experts of Thangta spoke in depth about the costumes of Thangta. He also stated that steps will be taken to discuss on the original costumes of Thangta and will be announced shortly.
Thangta gi Fijek Leiteng da awanba mayam lakpa laiba singdo mananaba pandamna tawkhibadi adu oja singna Fajaba session kaya pibirami ningthaugi mana phi ase misamna setpa yadaba haiba wafam amadi akhang hai singna thambirami Thangta masana se international thakta kanare masidasu inat ki oiba phijeta khudam mama thamba natragana inat ki oiba phijol oina setpa haiba sigi matang da khanaki adubu arepadi akoi limit kharani gi manungda mayam punna mu phaminaraga koi lepsagani.
A 100-hour training camp for assistant yoga teachers organized by Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal West kicked off at Flash Mandap, Wahingbam Laikai today. Around 100 persons from various places are participating at the camp, which will be held till the 15th of this month. Manipur Students Olympic Association felicitated sportspersons and officials who participated at the 4th Students Olympic National Games 2018 at Rohtak, Haryana. Chairman of MSOA and former Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Reshwo Simre, lauded the players who secured medals at the tournament and noted the state's progress in the field of sports. Altogether, 130 players and 3 officials took part in the Olympic Games held from January 4th to 7th. Manipur bagged the winner's title in the Under-12, Under-14 and Under-19 category and first runners-up in the Under-17 category. Certificates of the Students Olympic National Games 2018 were distributed to the players at the reception ceremony conducted at Kongba Nandaibam Laikai. Family members of the sports players and official member of the association participated at the event.
Aikoina national level participate toraga medal phangrak pangamba certificate phangrak pangamba si masina takpati aikoi si national level compete toba ngamkhre haibasi utlibni aikoi gi player khuding makna hanthaba tobiganu masi gi tempo si sum aikoi maintain toraga henkatna na ba aikoi honnasi aikoi national level games fawai koi lebaki mabi mapa sing da suwari saraga chahi sig manongda pangthokna na basu khotnari.
Kanglei Chess Academy in a press release has notified that the 16th Under-15 Open Saturday and Sunday Rapid Chess Tournament 2018 will be held on April 7 and 8. The Academy informed that the entry form and the rules and regulations of the tournament can be obtained from the office of Academy at Singjamei Chingamathak, Chongtham, Laikai, Imphal West. Last date of form submission will be on or before April 6 till 4 p.m. There will be a maximum of 16 players in this tournament and entry will be on first come first serve basis. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Kelen Thokchom, special correspondent of the Telegraph, no more. People from all walks of life, including the Chief Minister, condole the untimely demise of the journalist. Governor Najma Heptullah stresses the need for a joint effort to enhance economy of women vendors. People allege the government of partiality in cleaning work of riverbanks in areas of Kurai and Wangkai constituencies. And Central Industrial Security Force Imphal Airport nabbed a person smuggling gold in shirt and trouser buttons at Imphal International Airport.